You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's look at how to pronounce this expression, better known as RSVP. It's an expression from French. Répondez s'il vous plaît is how it is said in French in France. Let's break it down. Répondez, you could say it as répondez. Répondez meaning please answer. S'il vous plaît is please in French. Répondez s'il vous plaît, RSVP, or in French, répondez s'il vous plaît. Let's listen to it again. Répondez s'il vous plaît. Répondez s'il vous plaît. Now you know. Stay tuned for more. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.